Okay, it's time to cut back some of these plants. All of these were grafted a while ago, and they really need to get cut back so all the energy from the roots will go to this new growth, the new variety put on these plants. This is the wimpiest one of all. As you might recall, this particular plant was discarded because it looked like it was dead, but actually what looked dead was the base plant and the graft was green. So I saved it, but it's really looking pretty bad right now. We've got a lot of new shoots coming out of this base plant, which is not doing the graft any good at all. So I'm going to cut this back, and hopefully all of the energy from the roots will make it into these, well, this one might be dead already. Yes, that one's dead, but into this little green shoot, and hopefully this will become a nice plant. Looking at it, and I actually marked it, that's a Cogs haul. So what I'm going to do is try and cut this at a 45-degree angle, just about above where it is joined to the base plant. And there we go. So that's the first one, and also the smallest diameter for the rootstock. Here we are for the second one, and I believe that this is Venus. Yes, this one, the graft here is Venus, and it's way down in the pot. So all this top part needs to come off, but in order to make a decent cut, I'm going to have to take it a little bit out of the pot because I can't get the cut in there otherwise. So here we go, right above where it has fused to the base plant. So there we go, a little tiny Venus plant. Obviously these will need to be repotted after they recover a little bit. And here's the papa here. This is a crazy big rootstock, and we have honey kiss right here. So of course we don't want this, whatever this is. I'm not sure if it's turpentine or another variety. So hopefully this ratchet will make it through this. I would say it's close to an inch diameter of the rootstock. So yeah, it's making it. There we go. That's a nice clean cut, and that's our honey kiss plant. So long overdue, but now we have 3 of those Walter style grafts that have taken, and the rootstock cut back. So all of the energy from the roots should go to the grafts.